Bengaluru Traffic Police have issued a traffic advisory ahead of the Chief Minister's swearing-in ceremony scheduled to be held on June 3, 2026 at 4 p.m. at the Glass House, Lok Bhavan. The event is expected to be attended by several dignitaries and VVIPs from across the state and the country, with entry restricted to invited guests only. Anticipating heavy traffic congestion in the Central Business District and Racecourse Road areas, special traffic arrangements will be in force from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. During this period, the movement of all vehicles except those officially authorized for the event will be prohibited on key stretches including Cubbon Road, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Road, Racecourse Road, Queen's Junction and roads leading to Lok Bhavan. To facilitate smooth traffic movement, motorists have been advised to use alternative routes such as Shivajinagar, Anil Kumble Junction, Cunningham Road, Nrupathunga Road, Sivananda Junction, SC Road Junction, Vasantanagar, Hebbal, Tin Factory Junction and the Outer Ring Road. Parking will be prohibited on several major roads in and around the city centre, including Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Road, Lok Bhavan Road, LH Road, Queen's Road, Palace Road, Devaraj Urs Road, Racecourse Road, Park House Road, internal roads within Cubbon Park, Miller Road, Infantry Road, Ali Asghar Road, KG Road, Old Post Office Road, Nrupathunga Road, Kasturba Road, Malya Hospital Road, RRMR Road, Cubbon Road, T. Chaudaya Road and Ramana Maharshi Road. Designated parking facilities have been arranged at Vidhana Sauda, Vikas Sauda, the LH parking area behind Raj Bhavan and Nehru Planetarium for vehicles carrying event passes. Vehicles without event passes may park at Kondaji Bhavan, the Shivajinagar bus stand, multi-level parking facility, Kantirava Stadium, UB City, Government Arts College, Corporation Office premises and gates 2nd, 3rd and 4th of Palace Ground. Additionally, the movement of heavy vehicles within Bengaluru city limits will be prohibited from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. on June 3rd. The traffic police have urged the public to plan their travel in advance, avoid restricted routes and use the designated alternative routes to minimize inconvenience during the swearing-in ceremony. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.